Hey guys, Chris here, Real Window Creative. Wanted to show you a quick video on separating backgrounds from objects. Fairly easy in Photoshop. I've had some people asking me how to do it here lately, making t-shirts and mugs and all this stuff. Who wants that big square white box, right, on their t-shirt or black? That's unnecessary. It gets in the way of the other colors. So if you remove that background, you can place an object, just on a t-shirt, for example, all the different colors depending on, color of the image. So I've picked a little image here I've done recently, a bird with a sunflower. This should be pretty straightforward. And here we go. So you're going to come over here and pick your magic wand. I've already got it. There it is. And come into the area that you want to get rid of and just click on it. So that makes a selection. This image should be pretty simple and straightforward because of the differences. If you got a lot of contrast and different colors like this, makes it pretty easy. So now I'm just going to hit delete. It didn't work because the background is locked. We'll come in here and unlock it and then hit delete again. Now there it goes. You can see that white is now gone. This is a transparent background now. Now it did okay, but it left a few things I need to clean up here. So there's another one I'm going to hit. That white, I don't really want that in there. It's not part of the scene. It's left over because there were some lines and the selection couldn't get over the lines. There's a couple different ways to do it, and I'll show you another way in a different video, but right now we're just going to keep it simple. I'm going to click in there and get rid of those. Get rid of this one over here. And you can use, see there it picked the black. Now I don't want to get rid of that black, so I'm going to come back and use the marquee tool to turn that off and get rid of that. Then I'm going to get my selection tool again, and you may have to zoom in. So we're going to zoom in so we get a little better idea of where those white areas are. I'm going to go see, I got one up here, a couple up here, and some of them, might be appropriate to leave in, depending on how much work you want to do or what color you're putting it on. I want to be able to put this on any color. See, if I put that on a really dark color, and you'll see in a minute, I'm going to move it over, then that's white. It doesn't really show up very good right now because the background is so neutral, but it'll show up on a darker background or any other color background. See, these paint splatters don't really have white in them. If you got some white in your paint splatter, that's no big. Here's one up here, kind of in between there. There's one. A little more here. One there. Get rid of those. I'm going to call that good. Now I'm going to zoom out and show you how you can. Now you can just drag this to another file or wherever, or leave it like this. So if you uploaded this to TeePublic, for instance, now you can put that any color you want. There's not going to be a white square, and this is what that would look like. So here I've got another file over here with just a blue background. And see, I can drop that in on blue. I love that with the yellow and the blue. You got primary colors there. That's a good looking image. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Use your selection tool. The next video I'll show you is how to use your selection tools. You've got a number of them to be a little more precise. The magic wand is just a quick one. It works sometimes, sometimes not so well. I'll show you that later. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. We got more coming. If I can continue to talk and figure all this stuff out, leave us a comment down there. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these, showing you the Photoshop skills that'll get you where you need to be in your graphic design and your content creation, and you're making products that you can sell on, in your description area, link to your Etsy or whatever. So there it is. See you later. Chris out.